Let's take the call. Salaam alaikum, caller.
Alaikum.
Yes, my brother.
Sister.
Sister, I always get it wrong. No.
It's a sister, but I'm calling to request that Abdur, please tell this joke now because I must go to sleep.
Okay.
Because I'm getting up with my two children, inshallah, who will be fasting tomorrow, inshallah. And I promise I will ask them to make dua for the full 6 million, inshallah, if he tells his joke. I can't afford to give more than £20, £30, inshallah, which I'll do in the morning, inshallah.
Yeah.
But please, brother, get into his joke.
Okay, stay, sister, sister, wait there, tell the joke.
Right.
Jazakallah.
Here's the joke, sister, yeah? There's this man, right? Basically, the Emir, right, announces that every man in the country has to take a second wife, right? So this guy, his wife is very, very tough, and he knows that there is no way ever she is going to let him get a second wife. And he is, you know, and he doesn't know what to say, right? So he goes back to his wife, right? And he's crying. He's, you know, he's really in a state. He's crying, and he's so upset. And his wife's saying, Habibi, what's wrong? He said, the Emir said, he said that we have to, every man in the kingdom has to get a second wife or he will execute the man who does not get a second wife. She's quiet for a minute and then she goes, Alhamdulillah, it's good news. Then he goes, why? He said, you'll die a shaheed.
Allah,
sister. Does that resonate with you, sister? Does that resonate?
Yes, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. And there's plenty of sisters that would say that to their husbands.
Yeah, there you go. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
Barakallah. Now remember the dua for the full 6 million, yeah? Now's a good time, inshallah, okay? It's the last third of the night.